Hey guys, so quick video how you can connect the speakers to your BenQ monitor. It's nothing difficult, it's pretty simple. This is how we're gonna do it. So to connect it, what you need to do is this. You need to have the speakers, the headphones right here on your BenQ monitor. And when you're gonna have the headphones jack here, what you're gonna do, you're just gonna connect the aux cable. So let me show you. And it's going to look like this. You're going to have an aux cable that is going to get connected to your monitor. So either you're going to have the aux cable like this, or you're gonna have, let's look at like, okay, the JBL Flip 6 got the USB-C port, I think. Therefore, you would have USB-C to audio jack on your monitor right here, the green one or the black one where you're gonna have the headphones. Or another thing that you can try to do, you can try to do the USB-C, but I think that it would be like for the charging. It shouldn't, I don't think that's going to work. Or where you would like USB-C. And another way is that you can use the audio jack. So these are the things that you can try to do. And I hope this video helped you at least a little bit. So either you're going to have aux like this, that you would connect it, or you're going to have, depends on the speaker that you got, is that you're going to have the aux to USB-C. Another option.